can able to see the output of the my LCD display. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn how to connect ESP32 board with an I2C LCD display and print a simple message, hello world. This project is perfect for the beginners and very useful in IoT projects. For this project we need just a few things. One is ESP32 board, second one is I2C LCD display 16x2, some jumper wires and breadboard. The beauty of I2C LCD is instead of 16 wires we need only 2 connections. One is SDA and SCL.
Amazing!
In I2C display has 4 wires. One is ground, VCC, SDA, SCL. Ground will go to the ESP32 ground and VCC will go to the 3.3 volt of the ESP32 board, and SDA and SCL will go to GPIO pin 21 and 22. Now I am placing the ESP32 on breadboard. We required 3.3 and ground. Here GPIO 21 and 22. All connections are done for ESP32 to I2C display. Go to Arduino droid. It is a mobile app for programming the Arduino and ESP32 board. So this is the Arduino droid in which we have to copy your code here. Before that we have to add the library of the I2C LCD display. Go to sketch. Libraries, manage library. Here we need to search liquid crystal I2C. Liquid crystal I2C is already added in this library. That's why it is not showing in available. This is the liquid crystal I2C. We need to install.
Amazing!
Here we need to check the code is proper or not. Now this code I will upload to ESP32 board. Here board is not connected yet. Before that we need to add the ESP32 board in Arduino droid app. Here go to setting, board type ESP32 and I am using Breadboard. Okay. Then we need to upload this code to ESP32 board. Uploading is done. My breadboard is not working, that's why I connected directly to the ESP32 board pins to the I2C display. See here, you can able to see the output of the my LCD display. That's it for today's project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome ESP32 and Arduino tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.